Why does a 5-star AC save more money than a 3-star? Think of an air conditioner like a professional athlete. Both a 3-star and a 5-star AC can cool your room to 24 degrees Celsius, but the 5-star athlete does it with much less effort and sweat. In engineering terms, it all comes down to efficiency, specifically something we call the ISEER, that is Indian Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio rating. A 5-star AC is built with higher quality components, usually a larger heat exchanger made of the copper coils and a more advanced inverter compressor. Because the coils are larger, the AC can reject heat from your room much faster. And because the compressor is more intelligent, it doesn't just blast on and off like an old-school fridge, it slows down or speeds up precisely to maintain the temperature. It's like driving a car on the highway at a steady 80 km/h. That's your 5-star AC, versus constantly switching between the accelerator and the brake. That's your 3-star. Over a long Indian summer, that steady driving uses significantly less electricity. Even though the 5-star unit costs more upfront, the lower monthly power bills usually pay back that extra cost in just a couple of seasons. So, if you run your AC for more than 5 or 6 hours a day, that 5-star rating isn't just a sticker, it's a direct refund to your wallet.